Setting up Zaman involves several key steps that ensure a smooth and efficient process. Zaman is an open-source framework used for automating the testing of mobile applications. First, you need to install Zaman on your system. This can be done by cloning the Zaman repository from GitHub or by installing it through a package manager. Once installed, you need to set up your environment variables. This includes setting the path to the Zaman executable and configuring any other necessary settings. Next, you need to create a new Zaman project. This can be done by running the Zaman command line tool and following the prompts to create a new project. You will be asked to provide a name for your project, as well as choose the type of project you want to create. After creating your project, you need to configure your test environment. This includes setting up your test devices, whether they are physical devices or emulators. You also need to configure your test data, such as user credentials and test scenarios. With your test environment set up, you can start writing your tests. Zaman uses a simple and intuitive syntax to write tests, making it easy to get started. You can write tests for a variety of scenarios, including user interface interactions, network requests, and data validation. Finally, you can run your tests using the Zaman command line tool. You can run your tests on a single device or on multiple devices at once. Zaman also provides a range of reporting options, including HTML and XML reports, making it easy to view and analyze your test results. Best practices for setting up Zaman include keeping your test environment organized, using clear and descriptive names for your tests, and regularly updating your test data. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure a successful Zaman setup and start automating your mobile application testing.